Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's project, I'm using this napkin and I'm going to take out those two layers from the back side. I'm going to take those out because it has like a three layer, but we don't need that last two layers. It's a plain kind of paper. And then I'm going to use this brush with water, and I'm going to just brush there, and then I'm going to tear the napkin. It's easier this way to tear the napkin. And I'm going to take pieces of it, and I'm going to use this in the project. You can use any napkin which has a text and kind of like a vintage style, so you can use those kind. So I have taken these two pieces, and I'm going to use gel medium, and I'm going to adhere it on the um, page. You just have to be a little careful because they are very delicate, and it's like if you put too much, it can tear easily. So just have to be gentle and so now I'm going to attach the other piece also in this. Now I'm going to use this neocolor crayons and blend it. So you can use watercolor paints or even like a watercolor pencils. So I'm using a couple of colors of crayons in this, and then I'm going to blend everything together. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button and turn the notification on. That way you won't miss my videos. So these two colors I'm using it. Now I'm going to dry everything. Then I'm using this white gesso, and I'm just going to cover some of the areas. So I'm going to dry again everything. Now I'm going to use this stamp, and I'm going to start stamping it. I'm using black archival ink. So now I'm going to use this stamp. Then some circle stamps. Then I'm going to dry everything before going for the next step. I'm using this distress oxides, and I'm using the stencil and going to color on that. So again, I'm using two different colors in distress oxide and applying it on the project. Now I'm going to dry everything. And then I'm going to use this splatter kind of stamp. Now I'm using the like a big splatter stamp. Then I'm going to dry everything. Then I'm using little more black paint and knife and just putting it like randomly. I'm using white pen and I'm just going to scribble it. So now I'm going to dry everything. Then I'm using this white paint and I'm going to splatter on the top. So I'm going to put some elements along with the focal point. So I'm just going to scribble at the bottom. Now I'm going to color a little bit those flowers. This is optional. If you don't want to do it, it's fine. Or you can even use which has beautiful colors already as an ephemera, or you can even die cut it and color it. So I'm using some different colors and coloring those. and I'm just using the green and darkening those leaves. So I'm going to stick the coat and finish this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it and got inspired. If you like it, please don't forget to leave your comments below. I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. So thanks for watching. I will see you again. Bye.